Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1948 Chevrolet 3100 5-window pickup. Now this truck has been in East Tennessee its entire life and was bought new here in Maryville, Tennessee. Now if you got any questions on it, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088 or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of it, and then we'll get it out on the highway as well. As you look across the front, you can see that the bumper is in beautiful condition and that the rest of the stainless here on the front, from the grille to the headlight bezels, is all gorgeous as well. As you make your way around the driver's side, take a close look at all of your panel fit along with your gaps here at the bed and the doors. Now before we go on around, I want you to come on up. We'll take a look on the inside. It's truly impressive to see a truck this meticulously cared for, as it all appears to be original. As you look across the dash, you'll notice we got the factory steering wheel with the 3-speed on the column shifter. You'll also notice we got the push button radio, and we got the original GM tissue holder under the dash as well. As you come on around, you'll notice some light aging on the door panels, headliner, and the seat cover, but it's still one of the most impressive interiors I've seen on an original vehicle. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside. You'll notice that this tailgate has been replaced, but you can take a close look at the rest of the bed and see that it all appears to be original and in phenomenal condition. You'll notice the rear bumper is beautiful on it, and you can see that the wood bed is beautiful in this truck as well. As you come on around the passenger side, I'll take a step back. That way you can get a good appreciation for just how beautiful all of this panel fit and how solid everything appears to be. Now this truck has only had one repaint and it was completed in the 70s, and you can see that everything is still in excellent condition. You'll also notice that we got the factory style steel wheels that still have the original pinstripe on them. Now if you want to come on up, we'll take a look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. Under the hood, it features the correct 216 inline-6 engine. Everything's set up as it would have been when new in 48, and the inline-6 is mated to the 3-speed transmission, which is also correct for this truck. Now you can see that the firewall is in excellent condition on it, and even more impressive is when you look underneath this truck, it all appears original from the pans to the frame, which are all rock solid. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this 48, we'll get it out on the highway so that way you can see it on the road. Remember, if you got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.